Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we're going to draw and color a family. Let's start drawing. First, let's draw the mom's face. Then I draw her ears, her eyes, nose, mouth, her hair. Let's draw her earrings. And then her body. Let's draw a baby. I draw her head, then I draw her eyes and her smiling mouth. Now let's continue with her body. Fantastic! She's wearing a cute dress. Finally, draw her legs and shoes. Next to her, I draw a girl. Her face, her eyes, nose, mouth, her hair. She has 2 braids. And then her body. I draw a nice dress for her too. And then her legs and shoes. Next to her, I drew her brother. I draw his face and his short hair, his eyes, nose, mouth. He wears a shirt. I draw his legs and shoes. Finally, draw the dad. I draw his face, his eyes, nose, mouth, his hair. He wears a shirt. A belt. And I draw his legs and shoes. I draw a heart in the middle. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the mom first. I use cream for her skin. I color her hair brown. Yellow for the earrings. Purple for her dress. Pink. Black. I colored the baby with cream. I continue with the girl. Cream for her skin. I color the hair light brown. Pink for her clothes. Light violet. Fuchsia. I use the same cream for the boy's skin. Black for his hair. Yellow. Light blue. His pants are blue. Dark green. I finish coloring with the dad. Cream for his skin. He has very dark brown hair. Light blue. Black. Yellow. For his pants, I use dark blue. Black. They look adorable. Red for the heart. Good job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.